Hello everyone, welcome back to Electric YouTube channel. In the last video we discussed about electrical circuit, what are the types of electrical circuit and other things. So in this today's video we will continue the topics. We discussed open circuit, what is short circuit and what is closed circuit and leakage circuit and other things. So in the open circuit, what will be the current? So in the open circuit, current will be very small, say 0 or very small. In the in open circuit, load resistance is very high, that may infinite. So it is very small, it is very high. But in short circuit, the current will be very high. It means high, and load resistance will be very small. There is no resistance at all. It means very less resistance. So this is main thing. So when this short circuit will occur, like short circuit may occur like insulation between two cables may break down, it will cause a short circuit, or the battery terminal directly touch each other. If we directly connect this, it will get burnt, and if we connected RL small, very small resistance, it will blown off. That's why to protect this protect the circuit, we will use fuse or circuit breaker and other things. And and in and in open circuit means like this circuit, if the switch is open means then this whole current should not flow, can't flow. So that's why it is showing infinite resistance. This switch is showing infinite resistance, so shows us current will be very high in short circuit and load resistance is very small in short circuit. Now we discussed about current is small, current is high and other things. So how to measure this current? So there is a device, it is called measuring instrument, that is ammeter. It is called ammeter. It will gives you the result in amperes. So how much current flows in a specific direction, how it is connected. Ammeter is used to measure the current. So it is always connected in series with the load. So this is source, let's say this is ammeter and this is load. Here current should flow inside this through this ammeter to load. So this is, hence it is called ammeter is connected in series with load. And you may ask why this is called ammeter. Means like why current measuring meter is called ammeter. Ammeter means like it will gives in amps, results in amps, that's why. And in practical, if it is a like direct DC load, DC type of source, polarity should be proper. Like otherwise that if it is a indicating instrument like pointer, it is having, it will deflect in other left side. So it should be, polarity should be taken care while connecting. Then now we will discuss voltmeter. How to connect voltmeter we need to know. So voltmeter is like it will gives you the potential difference. That's why we usually connected between across the source side or load side also. So if you connect on load side, it will give some other value. If you connect source side, it will give some other value. How, you may ask? Like here this is, for example, if it is a source, this is, it is called E, like generated voltage or source voltage. This is V, terminal voltage. So here if it is, if the conducting path is very large, high, that means it will also consume some amount of power. So here voltage will be less. So for that there is one formula, that is EMF is equal to Vt terminal voltage plus I into R. So I is nothing but load current into R resistance. We will get to this EMF E. So in next topic we will discuss Ohm's law and we will get to know easily what are. Now we will discuss about Ohm's law. Ohm's law in current, voltage and resistance. So these are the three electrical quantities. He gives a relation between these. So what is current? We already discussed current is a flow of electrons in a particular direction. So what is voltage? It is a force, like it is electromotive force, like it is a pressure to drive the electrons. And this, what is resistance? Resistance is opposite of, sorry, like reciprocal of conductance. Conductance is equal to 1 by resistance. That means in normal, this is a conductor, electron is flowing, that means current is flowing. So here if the conductor is having less resistance means more current will flow. If the conductor offers high resistance means less current will flow. That's why it is called reciprocal of resistance. That means if we go through the Ohm's law statement, it's the Ohm's law states that it means in a closed circuit, current and resistance and voltage, that is current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to voltage, and current flowing through the conductor is inversely proportional to its resistance when temperature kept constant, with constant temperature. Here you can see the current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to voltage and inversely proportional to its resistance when keeping temperature constant. So this is also very important, constant temperature, it will holds good. So if we consider these two relation, we will write this as like I is equal to V by R. So for this is very basic thing, and this is very important very important law for electrical engineer. So I is equal to V by R. So this, there is a Ohm's law triangle, it is there. So we'll see I is equal to V by R. So if we close this, we can write it as this is a Ohm's law triangle. I is equal to V by R is one relation. V is equal to I into R. I into R, sorry, I into R, one relation. Then R is equal to V by I is another relation. Like usually in any questions or MCQ questions, these two electrical quantities they will give, and third one we need to find out. Similarly, if they given resistance and current in the circuit, we can easily find out voltage. Similarly, other things also we can easily find out. This is the basic things, and this holds good for some certain condition. We will see in the next video. In the next video we will see the Ohm's law limitations, how to apply Ohm's law, and we will solve some numerical problem for easy understanding purpose. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for to get similarly this kind of technical knowledge. If you have any doubts, questions or your opinion, please share through comment section. Thank you from